MacBook Pro. I will also include the first boot up this video. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Has a very shiny surface, and there's maybe ½ an inch of foam to keep the computer safe. First we have to lift this open. Okay, this is the MagSafe charger. Here are all the cords, and inside here there are the two booklets, everything Mac and everything else. Now let's get back to the computer. I will just open it. And by the way, this was carved from single block of aluminum. Let's open it. Wow. Okay, you are about to experience the first boot up. There we go.
Do you plug it in or?
What? Use English?
English.
Whoa. Cool. Okay, guys, look at this.